How much money will the repair of my Tesla cost me? My Model Y completely gave up on me on our road trip from Marrakesh in Morocco to Munich, Germany. In Spain, the car started to give me a bunch of error codes, then refused to charge and drive and had to be towed to the service center in Valencia. I flew back to Germany, and now, after 4 long weeks of fixing the car, I can finally come pick my car back up and hopefully start driving back to Germany. Feel free to watch our earlier videos of our amazing road trip from Germany to Africa and subscribe for more electric car action. So it's been a little over a month since I left my car in Spain, and today is the day where I will get it back. I also texted the service center in the app that I'm coming, and they said, cool, we're here, we're waiting for you. I see that they also charged the car, and everything should work out. Now I'm missing my car, and yeah, now I have the time to pick it up, to drive back to Germany, which is still a long drive, but now 2-hour flight to Spain. Wish me luck. Let's talk money. So I've made a list with all the costs that this entire situation brought upon me, and I want to know from you if you think that that is still okay, cheap-ish, or if it's like kind of a lot. And because it's quite some money here. Of course, my car's a warranty. I have a warranty on my car. It's not that old a car. Something you cannot really measure in money is time and energy. Of course, this entire thing cost me time to organize things, trying to figure it out, fly to a country, fly back to another country, right? All these things, time and energy. But anyways, now let's get to the real money numbers. So the car breaks down. Now I'm at the charging station where there's this Porsche car dealership. So I'm lucky enough that they drive me for free. Then the first night in Spain in the hotel costs 80 euros. Tesla said that they would cover up to 150 euros for hotels. So 80 euros is gone there. Then we go to Valencia for free in the tow truck. So that's nice. And I spent all day there playing basketball, drinking free water. That's nice. Then I need to go to Barcelona because I fly to Germany there. And the service center calls the taxi. So that's free. And then they also paid the rental car. But I had to pay the gas, which is 50 euros. Euros and dollars is approximately the same. So 50 bucks for gas. Then the night in the hotel close to Barcelona was 80 euros again. And then the flights, and this is where it starts to get expensive. Tesla said that they would cover 300 euros for flights. But Kojo has to go to Switzerland, and I have to go to Munich, which was 320 euros. And then going back to Spain again, which is 420 euros, plus Kojo's flight, we're already talking 1,000 euros just for flights. I forgot one cost. I had to go from the airport in Munich to my appointment that I had. So I was in a rush, so I had to get a taxi, which was 100 euros. I couldn't take the train, so it was 100 euros. The train would have been maybe 10, 15. And now I'm in Munich for 1 month without my car. So lucky enough, I bought an old car, a Toyota Corolla, from a friend for 300 euros because I want to send it to Africa. So I drive that car for 1 month, which, I mean, going from a fairly new Tesla to a 20-year-old Toyota Corolla, right? But at least I'm mobile and it doesn't cost me too much money. And yes, also my car gets older 1 month without me driving it. So it gets less valuable. So it loses value, I should say. And also I pay insurance on my car, even though I don't drive it and it's just standing there in Valencia and nothing can happen to it. But yeah, those are all costs. So it's a lifestyle cost as well to having to go back to a gasoline car, a 20-year-old gasoline car. But I mean, it is what it is. It will just feel that much better to be in a new electric car. But yeah, this is over 1,000 euros, and time, energy, and lifestyle losses, I could say, right? In the end, you know, it's you should see the best in those situations. It's still a very privileged situation to be driving cars in general. It's a privilege to be able to fly that. There were humans before us that invented this and made it safe and it's fairly affordable to fly, right? And you know, health and all these things are so much more important than money and these inconveniences. But I mean, this entire situation is an inconvenience. I mean, that I think I'm allowed to say. It's an inconvenience and it does cost me some money. But anyways, let's get the car back. There she is. I have my car back. Oh my God. Ugh. It's been too long and look how clean it is. Look how beautiful it is. Oh my God. Man, I'm looking forward to driving back to Germany now, another road trip. Now I'm gonna talk to people, see what happened, what they changed, and if there's anything you need to sign, blah, blah, blah. I got my car back. I just talked to the guy and he confirmed that the car is now ready to drive and that the repair went well. But of course, this wouldn't be my car if there wouldn't be another problem. This one's small, but look, we are missing the cover. The cover is gone. So the tow truck man removed it and then maybe put it somewhere in the car, but the service center people told me that they didn't want to like invade my privacy and search everywhere, so now I will search for it. Maybe I will find it somewhere, or the tow truck guy just has it in his trucks, and it's just gone, which is not the biggest problem. I can drive like that, but obviously if we order it again, my car has a blue wrap, then the new part will be a different color, and then I would have to wrap it again, and obviously it's kind of like a pain, but if the car drives, I'm happy, but maybe I can find it. Maybe I can find it. The moment of truth. Will it drive? Oh. Oh. Oh.
Turn right.
Oh. Yes. Oh baby, my car drives again. And the Tesla Punch. Man, I missed that. Also, there was a problem with the undercarriage that they fixed. Now we'll go to Germany. A good friend of mine, Jürgen Zimmermann, he has a repair shop. He's like the expert on EVs, and he will check out the car. I want to know if my car is in good shape now after this repair. Obviously, it's not ideal that a 1-year-old car has these problems, and also it's bad for the environment, obviously, when you have to change big parts like that and then have to fly from Spain to Munich and back and pick up the car and yada yada yada. But everybody was super nice and friendly, and now in this moment I'm just happy that I got my car and it drives. So now I'll get some lunch and then big road trip to Munich. Once this is uploaded, I will link it in the description box and up here. And yeah, see you in the next one. I'm back in my car. Yeah.